Hello everyone and welcome to the Crestron Technical Institute. In this video, you will learn how to discover and configure the Crestron VC-4-PC-3. The VC-4-PC-3 is a PC from Crestron that is preloaded with the VC-4 control system software. As with many Crestron devices, you can use Crestron Toolbox to discover using Device Discovery. To access the virtual control appliance, we will need to add a :9090 at the end of the IP address to pull up the web interface. The virtual control appliance provides a graphical interface called Cockpit that we will access through a browser. Let's do that now. We will put in our HTTPS IP address and add :9090 at the end. The Cockpit graphical interface can be used to change various settings for the Linux operating system, including advanced settings that can significantly affect the performance and stability of the operating system. Next, we will enter our Linux username and password. By default, these are both set to admin. A prompt will display so that you can change your password, then press Login. We can now see the overview page. By default, Cockpit allows only limited access to the system settings. Administrative access must be granted by selecting the button that says Turn on Administrative Access and entering the Linux admin account password when prompted. The virtual control appliance ships with DHCP turned on by default. If you need to configure a static IP address, you can do that in the networking menu here. Select the interface name that corresponds with the device's IP address. If we press the Edit button, you can configure a static IP. In this example, we will continue to use DHCP. Next, we will configure our hostname by going over to the Overview menu. Over here, in the configuration area, we can select Edit by the hostname. Enter the new hostname in the Real Hostname field and select Change. If you change the hostname, you must regenerate a new self-signed certificate. This step cannot be skipped. We will do that now. Go to the terminal and type the following command. We will need to enter the password for the Linux admin account. This will run a script on the system to generate a new self-signed certificate. We will then need to restart the web server and Crestron Virtual Control Service. Enter the following commands in the terminal. We will copy and paste from here to make it easy. Now that we are done changing the hostname and certificate, the next step in the setup process is to configure the time zone. Go back to the Overview menu and select System Time. Choose the appropriate region. Note that you may need to refresh your browser page to get the correct time to show. The next video in this series will cover claiming the device into XIO Cloud, licensing VC-4, and loading a program. Thank you for watching.